The community should always own a program. They are the users of the program. They say the person who wears the shoes knows where it pinches. So it's very, very, community is key to success in family planning program. And maybe later on when we talk a little about campus, I will mention how that the community, the involvement of the community, really helped some of the successes that we achieved in family planning program under the campus project. There was a good community mobilization, and people came out. And the community members, if they appreciate what they are doing, and they take ownership of a program, then it will succeed. We've seen a situation where they provide support to the clinic, they bought equipment, they're able to transport commodities from one place to their facility because they're interested. They're able to mobilize women in their meeting to say, oh, there's a need for child spacing. And we're ready with everybody, every man here, every father, every husband should support their families to be able to access, the facility that has been renovated, under this program, under this project. And now they have supplies of commodities. So let's use it. So involving the community, understanding them, and let them also understand the program, and let them own the program. Let them decide how they want to run it. So that our own is to provide the guidance. And our own is to provide the skills for them to appreciate, there is a need of family planning. Why are we doing family planning? The health reasons for family planning, the economic reasons, let them appreciate that. Once it has sunk into them, that, oh, so family planning can promote the health of my wife, then, you are there. Or family planning is good for, the educational success of my daughter, or, if, she doesn't get married at the age of 13, which means she can go to university, she can become a doctor, she can become an engineer, she can become a nurse, she'll be able to fend for herself, she's economically independent. So if we create that kind of environment for the community to understand, to appreciate, and they own the program, we'll succeed. Community is key to the success of any project for two reasons. One, they are the users of the services. Two, sustainability is very, very important. It's no use renovating a facility, putting equipment, training providers, if the community members are not motivated enough to use the services. The access is there, but they are not willing to use the services. Two, if at the end of the program the community is not involved, that is the end of the program. There will be no sustainability. There's nobody to carry on supervising the providers. There's nobody to carry on, ensuring that the systems that have been set are still running. But if the community members are carried along from the beginning of the project, and they feel a sense of belonging and a sense of ownership, then you are on the right path to disengage at some stage, and then they will still carry on. And many years after, they will still be there supporting them because they have appreciated the value of what they are getting. And they have appreciated the need for them to contribute. They own the services. It is their own. But if you are only there to say, oh, we're here to improve your facility and make access to you, that's fine. They will use it, but when you go and there's a failure in there, nobody will fix it, and then the service will stop. So for the ownership, for the sustainability, there is need to, from the beginning, create that feeling in the community member that it is their program. And with or without any program support, they should be able to sustain it. And that's why the campus never granted the community coalitions any money. They were encouraged to source their own funding. They were encouraged to provide support or counter funding, as it were, to say a health facility or a school. When we assess facilities, we say this facility will require so much to renovate it and to provide equipment. What will the coalition do? They say, okay, we'll provide labor. We don't have money, but we have people, we have young men who can come and provide the labor. So the cost of labor is taken off that project. So if something that you have labored on, you're more likely to feel it belongs to you because you made some contribution. You have a stake in it. And so I think, yes, the community has a very, very significant role in any program at all because they have to have that ownership. And if you don't have the ownership, there will be no sustainability. If they're not involved, even the services will not be utilized here.